Welcome back to my day 9 of my 8:30 day agile. So I'm so sorry for the long wait, but now we're back. So last video we redesigned the Minecraft creeper. That was terrifying. Like bro, it was just too much. You should go check out that video too. But today we're taking on one of the strongest mobs in Minecraft. The Ender Dragon! So, you know the drill. Free AI tools to redesign it. So we're turning into something more scarier, more cool, and more powerful. Let's do this! So, we all know the normal, boring Ender Dragon. Black body, purple eyes, huge wings. The final boss of Minecraft. But what if Minecraft was also realistic? Let's see what AI does. Alright, I'm inside. Made the space. Again. Completely free. No login, no money. For this one, I'm going to be using the fantasy or creature model. These are perfect for dragons. Here's the prompt to redesign the Ender Dragon. So let me just put the prompt. Let's go, bro. Boom. Come on, it's generated. Oh yeah. Let's go. Oh yeah. By the way, thank you all for all the support I've been getting in. Thank you so much. But what is that? No, but what is that? It looks like a dragon from a movie, not Minecraft. The wings look ripped and powerful. The purple glow is insane. The dragon looks like it could destroy like the entire universe with one breath. But, what if this isn't the final form? Oh my god, that's such a good idea. Go me. So, let me just put the new thing, no problem. And boom. Come on. Yeah, so I was saying, thank you so much for the support. And I hope you like and subscribe too. So, come on. Let's go. Oh yeah. Let's go. Oh, for me. Yeah. Oh my god. No way. Look at the purple crystals. The dark energy around it. This feels like a raid boss. Now, let's make a king version of the Ender Dragon. Let's go. So, here's the prompt. Okay, let's go. By the way, guys, what's your favorite subject in school? Do tell me in the comments below. Oh yeah. Let's go. Bro. Bro, this looks illegal. This looks like a Minecraft DLC boss. Imagine fighting this in survival mode. I'd quit instantly. Okay, I hear y'all. Let's calm down and make a cute version. Okay, that was cringe, sorry. Okay, so here's the front. Oh no, what just happened? And boom. Come on, it's generation. Let's go. Oh yeah. Let's go. This is the only Ender Dragon I'm not scared of. Minecraft, please, if you're watching this, please add this. And that's day 9. The Ender Dragon redesigned into 4 different versions using free AI. Tomorrow is day 10 and we're creating a new Minecraft biome using AI like lava forests, crystal runs or sky islands. Comment below which mob or biome should I do next. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe and follow the full 30-day AI challenge. New video every day, gaming plus AI all week. See you tomorrow. Bye!